Afternoon, everybody. This is Dave Lenhart with the AES and HRO Society. We're over here at AES headquarters. We're going to do that raffle from that today. So that Pointer Field TEK 4, the Midnight Bronze MAX5 12-gauge semi-automatic shotgun. Let's find who that lucky winner is. Here we go. Okay, that ticket number is 2477994. 2477994. So congratulations to Richard E. Richard will be giving you a call. And again, everybody, thank you for your continued support of Arizona Elk Society and Heroes Rising Outdoors.